Good morning, children. Let us start our today's EVS class. So today is 8th of September and we are currently at the verge of ending our lesson number 7, our green friends. So what are the things we are going to learn in today's class? Today's learning outcome are plants needing support. Okay, we are going to learn about plants which grow while growing. They need support. Okay, they cannot stand with their own, so that we are going to discuss, isn't it? In our previous class we have discussed about the types of plant which can stand on its own. Okay, we have discussed about those plants. Okay, and in today's class we will be discussing about plants which need support. Okay, they are so weak that they cannot stand by their own, so we are going to discuss about them. Later we will discuss about some special characters some of the plants are having, like some of them are having colored leaves, some are having a special aroma that we will be seeing in today's class. Okay, so let us start our today's class with revising the things which we have learned in our previous day. Okay, so previous class what we have done, learned about the plants which grow without any support. Okay, so about those plants, they have been divided or classified into these three categories. First is trees. Trees means very big plant. Okay, they live for many years. Important thing, please note that. Yes, trees are very big plant. They live for many years. They can live for many years, and their stem is very broad, strong and tough. Okay, their stem is very strong and hard. Okay, it is having very hard woody stem. Many of these trees are having hard and woody stem. Okay, so example of these this category of trees are banyan tree, mango tree, coconut tree, peepal tree. They are long list of trees, isn't it? So in a normal we can say that all the trees which you see around very big, which are having very strong stem there. Okay, they are categorized, those plants are categorized under the category of trees. Okay, now next one is shrub. Okay, what are shrub? They are smaller than trees. Shrub plants, or what are these category? These are smaller than trees. Okay, second one, they are having woody stem. They are smaller than tree. They are having woody span. And if we compare the life of tree with shrub, tree live for much more longer year as compared to shrubs. Okay, so these were the few points. An example is rose is there, hibiscus is there, then bougainvillea is there. Many are example. Okay, so these comes under category of shrubs. Now third category which we discussed was herbs. Yes, so these are having very weak soft stem and they are very small. They do not have that much height as compared to trees or shrub. They are very small in height. Okay, and their stem is also very weak as compared to trees and stem. Example of herb is mint, tulsi, thyme. Many different herbs are there. Yes, so which we used in our day-to-day life. So now let us move to today's one. So till now we have discussed about plants, three types of plant, but what are the special thing? They can stand on their own. Now today we are going to discuss two types of plants. Okay, which are so weak, which have so weak stem that they cannot stand only. Okay, so in these category two names are there, two types. First one is climbers. See the spelling here? Climbers. Yes. And the second category is creepers. These two we are going to discuss, and we are going to look the pictures as well. Okay. So it will be more interesting, isn't it? See, what are climbers? Climbers are those plants which are having weak stem. First point, they have weak stem, and if their stem is weak, could they be able to stand? No, they cannot stand straight, and since they are having weak stem, they cannot stand straight. They need support from other. Okay, it can be wall, it can be grill, it can be another plant. Okay, but when they get support, they climb upward. So that's why, since they are climbing, we call them climbers. Yes, example are money plant, grapes, pea plant. Okay, so let us see which are money plant. Can you identify? Yes, children. Which one of the three is a money plant? The first one is a money plant. The second picture, yes, you can see here grapes hanging. So it is a grape plant. Okay, it is also a climber. And the third one here, let me move my picture here. Yes, the third one here, see, it is a pea plant. Okay, it is also a climber. When it gets support, it climbs and it moves while climbing, moving upward. Okay, so these are the plants which are having weak stem. They cannot stand by their own, and when they get support, they they climb. That's why climber. Now the next category, creepers. Yes, you will think, what is the difference between a climber and a creeper? So these are also having weak stem. They were also having weak stem. So what is the difference? Even if support is there, they cannot climb. They creep on the ground. Okay, they spread there on the ground. Example is pumpkin is there, watermelon is there. Let me show you, muskmelon is there. See the picture? Yes, they spread on the ground. They do not climb. Yes, like money plant or grapes, they used to climb. These creepers, this is the difference between a climber and the creeper. Children generally make mistake in this way, in these two. They sometimes mistake climber as creeper, creeper as climber. So we have to be alert. Creepers, they spread on the ground. Okay, they creep there. That's why name is creeper. And climbers, when they get support, they can climb. Okay, so creepers spread on the ground. See, pumpkin, watermelon, muskmelon. See, muskmelon, when you cut, it is looking like this. Now it may be clear to you what is a muskmelon. Okay, and generally we find their fruit. See, so big size fruit, isn't it? So they spread on the ground. So this is the major difference between a creeper and a climber. So now one more category was given there. The plants, some of the plants, they are having colored leaf. Generally what we see plants, leaves are green in color. Isn't it? Maximum all plants leaves are green in color. But some of the plants, they are special, isn't it? And they are having very bright, beautiful colored leaf. Example is coleus is there. See there here spelling. Only this one croton is given in your book. See here. Coleus is here, then croton is here. Okay, these all are having colored leaves. Okay, so now let us move here. Next slide. Now coming to plants with special smell. See here, the first picture is of tulsi plant. Yes, tulsi. Tulsi is also called basil. Yes, the first one is tulsi or basil plant, and the second one here is, it is a mint. Yes, the first one is tulsi, second one is mint here. Okay, and you will say, ma'am, how we can smell the special smell present in these plants? Yes, what you can do, you can take few leaves of tulsi, crush it nicely and smell it. You are going to feel the aroma there. You are going to feel the smell of tulsi. Same with case of mint also. If you crush those leaves, you are definitely going to smell that particular smell. Okay, so these are some plants which are having special smell. Now see the last section given in your book. Yes, let us discuss this one and complete it. Now we see many plants around us. They are of different types. Some of the plants are given, pictures are given, and you have to tell their name. Yes, now let me move it here. Now see first one, mint. What type of plant is a mint? Mint is a herb. You will write it herb here. The second one, it is a tree. Third one, money plant. It is a creeper or a climber. Since it is a climbing plant, it is a climber. C-L-I-M-B-E-R, climber. Okay, now let us move to next one. See this one. First picture I am hiding. The first one, let us see. That is hibiscus. Hibiscus are shrubs. So you will write here shrub. Let me write it here. S-H-R-U-B, shrub. Done. Second one is, this one is a pea plant. Pea plant also is a climber. You will write climber, C-L-I-M-B-E-R, climber. The third one, mango tree. Name itself, it is written tree. So it, of course, it is a tree. Okay. So now let us move to the last section. See here. Have you ever sat on a swing? What type of plant gives support to swing? Give example. So, how many of you have sat on a swing? I think almost all of you might have, isn't it? So, what type of plant gives support to swing? You want to have a swing, the important thing, the stem should be strong. The plant should be big enough. It should be having strong, solid, woody stem. Otherwise, if you try to make a swing in pea plant or money plant, is it possible? No, it is not at all possible. Nor in the shrubs also. You cannot make a swing in a shrub. For making a swing, that plant should be very strong, having very woody stem, very strong stem. So example, it can be, you can make swing in mango tree, in a peepal tree, in a banyan tree. Okay, all those trees which are very strong, having very strong stem. Okay, and the last point which is given here about bamboo plant, a very amazing fact is being shared here. See, they can grow as tall as you within 1 week. Isn't it mind-blowing? A bamboo plant within 1 week, it is going to be tall just like you. Okay, so this was the thing for today's class. So I have ended my class. So let us revise first, quick recap of the things. Today especially we have learnt about creepers and climbers. Creepers which spread on the ground, climbers, okay, both of them are having weak stem, climber, but when they get support, they can climb. Okay, so this is the basic difference between these two plants. And we have discussed about few plants which are having colorful leaves, Coleus croton. And some plants are having special smell or aroma. Fragrance there. Okay, so what is the example? Example is tulsi, mint. Okay, so with this I am ending my class. Bye bye, take care.